Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Cybersource. This integration allows you to securely process payments directly through your forms, making it perfect for businesses that need a streamlined checkout experience. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see the My Workspace option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to the main dashboard where all your existing forms are stored and managed. Now we need to create a new form specifically for this integration. In the upper left corner of the page, click on Create Form. A menu will pop up with several options, and you'll want to select Start from Scratch. From there, choose the Classic Form option. This gives you a blank canvas to build exactly what you need without any preloaded templates getting in the way. Once your blank form is ready, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see the Add Element button. Click on it to open up all the available form elements. Navigate to the Payments tab, as this is where all payment-related integrations live. In the widget search bar, type Cybersource and click on it when it appears in the results. This adds the Cybersource payment widget directly to your form. With the widget now added, you'll see a Payment Properties button appear. Click on it, and a right panel will open up displaying various configuration options. Here you'll notice a yellow button that you need to click to begin the connection process. You'll be prompted to enter 3 critical pieces of information: your connection name, merchant ID, and transaction key. These details are essential for linking your Cybersource account to Jotform, so make sure you have them on hand from your Cybersource dashboard. Once you've entered all the information, click Save. Next, you need to configure your payment settings. From the drop-down menu, choose your preferred payment type. This determines how customers will be charged, whether it's a one-time payment or another option. Right below that, select your currency from the drop-down menu. Make sure this matches the currency you typically use for transactions to avoid any confusion during checkout. Now fill in the bill to and billing address fields. These fields are important because they ensure proper documentation and compliance with payment processing standards. Take your time here to ensure all the information is accurate. Once everything is configured correctly, look toward the top of the page and click the Publish button. This will finalize your form and make it live. After publishing, a link will be generated. Go ahead and copy this link, as you'll use it to share your form with customers or embed it on your website. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jotform with Cybersource and created a payment form ready to process transactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.